5 funky projects that will turn your small bedroom cozier. 1. Install string lights over the bed. Bedroom is the best place in the home where you can fully instill your creativity and style inside. One of the DIY projects that you can try is decorating the bed using lamps. For instance, if you use bed with thin curtain net, you can decorate it using string lights. Decorating the bed using this trick will create Christmas ambience or giving a bedroom like a magic or a fairy wonderland feel. Either normal tree lights or more delicate lighting fixtures can be used in this method. 2. Use fuzzy bedside rug. There are countless options of rugs that you can place in the bedroom. Start from the simplest design to the one that can make your bedroom look luxurious. If you want to make the bedroom into cozier place, you can try using extra fuzzy bedside rug. This will give your feet comfortable steps every morning. For the options, you can try using white sheepskin sheep, since it does not only look pretty soft and comfortable but also offer a clean look. 3. Tuck the bed cover neatly. Placing cover over the bed seems to be a simple thing. Hence, it is pretty common if many people not really care about it. However, cover which are not placed properly often create unpleasant look. That's why the neater you tuck it, the more comfortable the ambience of bedroom will be. If you don't know how to do it, you can learn first on how to tuck bed cover so that it has tidier look. 4. Throw some pillows. Don't be too exaggerating when using pillow. If you need more, just add 2 pillows on each side of the bed. This is enough to make your sleeping spot becomes cozier. If you not only want to make the bed more comfortable but also interesting, you can choose pillows with various shapes or pattern on their patterns. 5. Create nice bedside lamp. Having a bedside lamp will help you to have more flexible lighting. Hence, if you want to turn it off, you don't need to get up from the bed. There are many DIY projects to create nice bedside lamps. For example, you can try the pulley lantern to create cool spot next to the bed. The light from the lantern is bright enough to lit the bedroom, but at the same time it serves as unique decoration in this room since you make it in your own.